Lenny Hyde, not the performance they're looking for today. 3 goals down. Sum up your team performance also, please.
Wasn't a good performance, a poor performance, both ends of the pitch. We didn't possess the ball as we should. We didn't create enough chances. It's a new team. We are trying to build a chemistry and work on our technical skills, but it will take a time to come. When you're playing against a top-ranked team like a Waterhouse team who is challenging for the title. Yeah. We are in 8th place right now. I think it's 9 after this game. So we just have to continue work and continue building this team, and that's what we're looking for in the long term.
In the second half, they brought on Shea Smith, and literally Shea Smith was like a hot knife through butter in the midfield of a very, very good Waterhouse midfield. Was it due to injury why he came on so late? Because he looked really, really impressive coming on. They couldn't handle him. He was transitioning the ball in such a quick pace. Was it a tactical decision?
Yeah, we try and rotate the players. He was in the early part of the season, started out well, and then his game dropped. So we try and introduce some of the youths and try and blend in the team. As we say, we are still trying to fix this, going forward, and that's how we will do it going forward. We have brought on 2 youngsters. We started a youngster. So we're trying to do that with the team, right? Because our aim is for the long term,
Yeah. Makes sense. Not so much a good performance as you just mentioned. So what's here from what is next move from here? Drawing board and then come back again?
Yeah, man, we have Umbelayan next game. Down at Umbelayan, so it's another tough game. So as I said, the season is here. We just have to enjoy.
Yeah.
We're trying to enjoy the season. We are not that confident. We don't build that confidence amongst the players as yet. So you can see how they play sometimes. They're afraid, scared, and things. So that's the process of building a new team.
The young man.
We have to take them beating here sometimes.
Yeah.